For me, it's all about the view out the windscreen. The world looks way different out the window of a chopped hot rod. G'day, I'm Garry from Shepparton and the Goulburn Valley. Moov, the Museum of Vehicle Evolution, is, in my opinion, and I'm not biased, one of the best museums I've seen in Australia. I've seen a few. Well, it's my favourite. There's a Pete in there, one of Freestone's Peterbilt, so you've got bicycles, motorcycles, cars, trucks, buses, you name it. I reckon if they could get an aeroplane, they'd hang it in the roof too. When I'm at Moov, usually see the boys, Chris and Dino in Milestone, and have a coffee, have a bit of a chat, have a laugh. It's a good catch-up point for a lot of us old blokes. And Frank and June at the antique shop, lovely people, and they've always got something in there that'll catch my eye. Artwork's mainly mechanical. I like to do cartoons, bend cars and just mess with them. I've been fortunate to have some pieces in shows here and overseas. It's a great place to be when you got brain to pencil. I've always looked at the cows. I reckon it's just awesome when you drive around, you see all these cows, they're all painted up, way cool. And then now I've got the opportunity to actually work on them and fix them and make them look good and send them back out to the herd. The perfect Sunday drive for me is to pick a car that's going, find a good pub. For instance, the Gladstone at Dookie would be a good pub. Ring a few friends, see who wants to go, hit them up and head for the Dookie pub. Nice can of lunch. And known Greg for approximately 30 years. We had a coffee one day and Greg said, "What are you up to?" And I said, "Oh, probably drive a tip truck, find something to do, keep me busy." And he said, "When do you want to start?" And that was about 4 years ago. From a high-end car to a repair on a hot rod and pretty much everything in between. It's a very busy shop and there's a lot of cars on the list to be built, so busy. I would describe Shepparton as a great place, even though I haven't got kids, to bring up a family. Friends of mine with kids have all said the same thing. It's a great place. And the part I like, the multicultural part is, wow, the food's good. Come see for yourself.